how to delete Wordscapes app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete the Wordscapes app from your Android device. So if you are looking to free up space or just don't want to play the game anymore, then just follow these steps, and without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, unlock your Android device and navigate to the home screen or the app drawer where the Wordscapes is installed. And once you have found the Wordscapes app, simply tap and hold the app icon for a few seconds until a small menu appears. Now from that menu, you simply need to tap on App Info and you will be prompted to the app settings. And once you are in that settings, you will see the option to uninstall at the bottom center of the screen. Simply tap on that and confirm it by tapping on OK. And after tapping on the OK button, the app will be deleted from your device. And that's it. Now you have successfully deleted Wordscapes from your Android device. If you have ever want to reinstall it, you can always download it again from the Google Play Store. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.